Hello, my name is Maida Rüütel. I am Managing Director of Hyva Nordic. We are today in Jönköping, Sweden, ELMIA Lastbil 2022 exhibition. This exhibition is the true highlight of truck business in Sweden and Nordic, and we are happy to be present here once again. Hyva has been participating in this exhibition for many years, and we plan to continue this tradition also in the coming years. Today, 4 years after founding of Hyva Nordic and hearing customers' expectations, we are presenting the new Titan LZ hook loader, which was designed for the Nordic market with low build-up height, just 195 mm. From tipping solutions, we are showing our front-end hydraulic kit, new generation of underbody heavy-duty cylinders, and Hyva Smart tipping guidance solution. We want to express our gratitude to all customers and partners from the Nordics. Your cooperation has enabled us to grow stronger and closer to the market. Thank you.